Hello and welcome back to the IT Fundamentals course. In today's lesson, we will learn about RAM, Random Access Memory, one of the most important components inside a computer. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It is a type of temporary memory that stores data and programs currently being used by the computer. Now let's see why RAM is important. The RAM is important because it allows the computer to access information quickly. It helps applications run smoothly and improves the overall performance of the system. Now let's quickly see how RAM actually works. So when you open a program, its data is loaded into RAM. The CPU can then access this data much faster than it can from storage devices. This is why RAM is often called the computer's temporary workspace, or we can also think of RAM as a bridge between a program and the CPU. Now, many people confuse random access memory with storage. RAM is temporary memory, while storage devices such as SSD and hard drives permanently store files and programs. Data in RAM disappears when the computer is turned off. A simple way to understand RAM is to imagine a desk. The desk holds the files you are currently working on. Storage is like a filing cabinet where documents are kept long term. A larger desk allows you to work more efficiently. How much RAM do we need? The amount of RAM you need depends on your task. 4 GB is enough for basic activities. 8 GB is suitable for most users. 16 gigabytes or more is recommended for gaming or content creation or professional workloads, and 32 gigabytes is for advanced tasks. Let's review today's lesson. RAM is temporary memory that stores data currently in use. It helps the CPU access information quickly and improves multitasking performance. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture where we will learn about storage devices and the difference between HDD and SSD. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.